The overall goal of this surgical technique is to provide standardized conditions for the analysis of fracture healing in mice.
This method can help answer key questions in fracture healing research, such as the role of different growth factors in the mechanisms of bone repair. The main advantage of this procedure is that it can be used in a minimally invasive technique and provides standardized biomechanical conditions for the study of endochondral fracture healing in mice. In the following, Philipp, a student, will demonstrate the surgical procedure.
Begin by ensuring that all required sterile surgical instruments and materials are positioned on an operation cloth directly adjacent to the small animal operation table. For this study, 12 to 14-week-old male CD1 mice were used. After inducing anesthesia using an approved method, confirm anesthetization by the lack of response to a toe pinch. Apply eye lubricant to protect the eyes from drying during anesthesia, and place the anesthetized mouse under a heat radiator to keep the body temperature constant. Before surgery, shave the entire right hind leg and apply a depilatory cream. After 5 minutes, remove the cream and clean the leg with water. Then apply a disinfecting solution with 96% alcohol. Place the mouse in the supine position on the small animal operating table. Under aseptic conditions, bend the right knee to allow for an anterior approach to the condyles of the knee.